Hello guys, welcome. And in this tutorial, we will know how to convert your image into 3D. Okay, so here we will use a free plugin that is called Scale by Tool, and this is free. You can download through the link in the description. Okay, so I have created this 3D model using just an image. Okay, so follow the same settings and instructions. So first you have to draw rectangle. This is 3 feet by 3 feet rectangle. Okay, then you have to subdivide this face. So we will use JHS Powerwar plugin and select face. Okay, and then click over here. You have to set the parameters. So just follow the same settings. Okay, and within a few seconds you will see something like that. Your model will be subdivided. Okay, now what you'll have to do, you have to select entire uh, face. Okay, by multiple click over the surface, and then you have to use a scale by tool plugin. So here I need to find out where is my plugin. This is okay. So just click over here. After selecting, just follow the same settings. Okay, here 1 feet, and you have to select height map of this image. Okay, and click over open button, and within a second your surface will be converted in a 3D form. You can see that here. So it's pretty cool, and you can download this plugin through the link in description. So for extra smoothness, you can use other plugins like Subdi tool or Artisan tool. Okay, so this method are pretty easy to create such a 3D model using a image height map. Okay, so if you really like, please follow, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Have fun. See you next tutorial. Thank you.